What's going on? So today I will be showing you guys a DIY on how to solve power window issues, instrument panel, along with the AC. So getting straight to the point, my power window stopped working, my driver's side. So when that shut off, it wouldn't go up or down. My AC stopped working and my instrument panel was not lit up. So what I did was I went ahead and checked under the shifter boot for wires, and I believe this is a circuit breaker. It's not one of these, but I think it's this one. Just work. You have to pinch it right out from the bottom, and it comes up, and there will be two connectors. Better, a green and a blue. So this blue was not connected to the circuit breaker, if I'm correct. So I went ahead and connected that. Once I connected it, turned the key on, window was working, but then I blew a fuse. So going to the fuse problem, this was done. Blew the fuse, heater was still not working, and instrument panel was still not lit up. So you're gonna want to check your fuse box. Look for 17, fuse 17, and you want to make sure that it's a 30 amp. So in my situation, 17 was a 7.5. So when we connected the wire to the circuit breaker and powered the windows, it worked for a few, but that 7.5 was not rated to handle all that amperage that was going through the fuse. So the fuse blew. So then I put a 30, which is the correct rated fuse for number 17. Put a 30 in, and then boom. I had my heater on previously, so once I connected it in, I knew if it worked or not. The heater turned on and we were good to go. So yeah, once I checked the fuse, put the correct amperage fuse in, my windows were all good, AC was working, blowing, and my instrument panel was also working. So again, quick step by step, make sure to check under your shift boot for wires. Make sure all the wires are connecting to the right place. Make sure your fuses are all good and working and have the correct rated fuse, and you should be all set to go.